Welcome back. We started solving this question in the previous video. We solved A and B. In this video, we are going to solve the last part, that is C. Find the truth set of 3 plus n is equal to 2. So we are going to use the addition table for mode 5 we drew in the previous video to find the truth set of 3 plus n is equal to 2. The table we have here is an addition table for mode 5. We drew this table by using the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The question wants us to find the truth set of 3 plus n is equal to 2. There are some values in this set that will satisfy the equation 3 plus n is equal to 2. We don't know those values. To find it, we are going to try them out one after the other to see which one of them will satisfy the equation. So we will begin with when n is equal to 0. When n is equal to 0, 3 plus n will become 3 plus 0. From the table, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So 3 plus 0 will give us 3. But we know that from our equation, 3 plus n is equal to 2. That means that n is not equal to 0, because if n is equal to 0, then 3 plus 0 should give us 2. But here, 3 plus 0 is giving us 3. That means that the number we are looking for is not 0. Let's move on to the next number in the set, which is 1. So when n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, 3 plus n will become 3 plus 1. From the table, 3 plus 1 will give us 4. We know that from our equation, 3 plus n is equal to 2. But when n is equal to 1, 3 plus 1 will give us 4. That means that n is not 1, because if n is 1, 3 plus 1 should give us 2. From the table, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, not 2. So n is not equal to 2. So we are going to try out the next number in the set, which is 2. When n is equal to 2, 3 plus n becomes 3 plus 2. From the table, 3 plus 2 will give us 0. But we know that from our equation, 3 plus n is giving us 2. So if n is equal to 2, then 3 plus 2 should give us 2. But we have seen from the table that 3 plus 2 is giving us 0. That means that n is not equal to 2. So we are going to try out the next number, which is 3. When n is equal to 3, 3 plus n will become 3 plus 3. From the table, 3 plus 3 will give us 1. But we know that from our equation, 3 plus n should give us 2. Here, when n is equal to 3, 3 plus n will give us 1. 2 is not equal to 1. This means that n is not equal to 3. So we will try out the last number, which is 4, when n is equal to 4. When n is equal to 4, 3 plus n will be equal to 3 plus 4. From the table, 3 plus 4 is giving us 2. We know that from our equation, 3 plus n should give us 2. Now we can see that when n is equal to 4, 3 plus 4 will give us 2. That means that n is equal to 4. So the number in the set that will satisfy the equation 3 plus n is equal to 2 is 4. So n is equal to 4. The question said we should find the truth set of this equation. In the videos on linear equations and linear inequalities, we learned how to write the truth set of an equation. The truth set of this equation is n is such that n is equal to 4. Remember that you write it in a curly bracket. So the truth set is n is such that n is equal to 4. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on drawing a table for an operation in a given modulus. After drawing the table, we will use it to answer some questions. Bye-bye.